Hello students, welcome to Abhyas IIT Prep. We are just close to the finish line and with the one more paper left. Let's do the today's paper analysis. In the physics sectional analysis, if we observe that from the mechanics 1, 4 questions were given, and mechanics 2, 5 questions, thermal physics 3 questions, and waves and optics we have observed only 1 question from the waves and optics, and electromagnetism 8 questions as given, and nuclear physics 4 questions as given. If we observe that huge impact was there from the topic of electromagnetism, and if we see the questions difficulty came from the topics, here we have vertical circular motion, electric field intensity, magnetic field intensity, and electric dipole. These topics have the difficulty questions. And first year, second year, our weightage, if you observe that 48% were there from the first year and 52% were there from the second year. This is the physics sectional analysis. If you see the observations of the physics, paper is easy to moderate, and more conceptual questions are given. Around 6 questions were there. Around 6 questions are conceptual only from this paper, and important topics were dimensions, time period in pendulum, wavelength, and kinetic energy. These are the important topics we have observed in the physics sectional analysis, and more questions are related to electromagnetism. Anyhow, if we are observing from the last 3 to 4 papers, the more questions are coming from the electromagnetism. Now coming to the chemistry sectional analysis. Here physical chemistry 4 questions we have observed, and inorganic 3 questions, organic 1 4 questions, and physical chemistry 2 5 questions, inorganic 4 questions, and organic chemistry 5 questions we have observed. And see here the difficult questions we have observed from the topics of equilibrium constant in gaseous system and chemical reactions. If you see the weightage of the first year to second year, for the first year we have the 44%, for the second year we have the 56%, and the more huge impact modules if we observe organic chemistry 2 and physical chemistry 2. Almost all the modules are equally given important, but these two have the little bit more impact for the paper. And coming to the observation of the chemistry sectional analysis, the paper is easy only, easy paper, and weightage on the first year organic chemistry is decreased compared to the remaining papers, and weightage on the first year physical chemistry is increased, and second year organic chemistry is increased, and overall difficulty questions on the paper is increased. If you observe from the last 2-3 papers, the overall difficulty has increased in the chemistry sectional analysis. Now coming to the mathematical sectional analysis, if we have observed from the trigonometry and algebra 3 questions, and geometry 4 questions, calculus 3 questions, and algebra 2 we have seen the 3 questions, and geometry 2 3 questions, calculus 2 3 questions, functional algebra 3 questions. So these are the questions, number of questions we have observed in the paper. And if you see the difficulty questions came from the topics, if you observe matrices have the difficulty question, and coordinate geometry, 3D geometry, and vector limits, and definite integration, area, and sequence and series. So if we observe from the sequence series, the weightage has given from starting to as of now. If we observe from the sequential series, the weightage is same, almost same number of questions we are getting. Mostly 2 number of questions we are getting from sequence and series. And first year and second year syllabus, if we observe here 40% weight is there from the first year syllabus, and 60% weight is there from the second year syllabus. This is the mathematics sectional analysis. If you see the observations, here some lengthy questions has given from the starting onwards we are observing lengthy questions are giving, and inverse trigonometry weightage is increased, inverse trigonometry weightage is increased, and sequence and series have the same as of now. From the as of now, if you observe sequence and series weightage is almost same, that is not changing, and overall paper is moderate. The paper is moderate. Overall paper we can say it's a moderate paper. And now coming to the band score of this paper, we have observed easy questions. 31 questions as easy, combining math, physics, chemistry, 31 questions were there, and medium 35 questions were there, combining math, physics, chemistry 13, 13, 9, overall 35 questions we have observed, and difficulty 333, overall 9 questions we have observed in this paper. And coming to the good score of this paper, here we have the 213. 213 is the good score of this paper. The student will get 99 above percentile if student is getting 213 marks, and for the 172 and above marks, the student will get 95 above percentile. For the 135 above marks, student will get 90 and above percentile. Okay, this is about the analysis of the morning shift, and I'll come with the last paper. Thank you.